भारतीय रिझर्व्ह बँकेन 22-23चे निमणे मॉनिटरी पुलीस कमिटीचे बसकेन रेपो रेट 0.25% वाढयला। समितीच्या 6 मधल्या 4 सदस्यांनी रेपो रेट वाढवपाच्या निर्णयाच्या समर्थनात मतदान केले। हे नवे वाढीक लागून रेपो रेट 6.50%चेर पावला। मे 2022 पासून आता मेरेन एकूण 6 फावट रेपो रेट वाढयल्या। ही वाढ 2.25% इतली जावन आसा। देखून आता घराचे रीण, गाडी घेवपाचे रीण म्हारग जातले। हाचो फटको सर्वसामान्य लोकांक बसतलो।
Guidance on climate scenario analysis and stress testing. So these measures together will ensure that our financial system also starts developing, starts building in the forces of resilience to withstand any possibility or any possible emergence of vulnerability to climate change. And I think these measures are quite timely. These are the first set of measures. There are a few other measures which will follow in due course. But for the time being, we are announcing these 3 measures. The next one relates to expansion of the scope of the trades platform. For the benefit of MSMEs, the Reserve Bank had introduced a framework in 2014 to facilitate financing of their trade receivables, that is the trade receivables of the MSMEs through the trade receivables discounting system, that is the trades. It is now proposed to expand the scope of trades by first providing insurance facility for invoice financing, second permitting all entities and institutions to undertaking factoring business to participate as financiers in trades, and third permitting rediscounting of invoices, that is developing a secondary market in trades. These measures are expected to improve the cash flows of the MSMEs.